Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is our project RIA Oxford Square at Barashat, near Barashat State University, and this is the actual apartment of 1050 square feet approximately sellable area, and you can see this is the actual flat. Come inside, and this side will be the kitchen space. So this is a L pattern kitchen space along with this big size window, a rectangle shaped kitchen, and this side will be the balcony, and from this balcony you can see the view outside. And this side will be the swimming pool. This is under construction currently, and water filtration plant. So you can clearly see the swimming pool from here, and you can see the auto service. And now come this side. So this is the living cum dining again, and we are entering towards the lobby space. So on lobby, on my left hand side, this is the common toilet area. The size of this common toilet is approximately 10 feet by 4 feet, and just opposite to the common toilet, this is the first bedroom. And the size of this first bedroom is approximately 10 feet by 11 feet, along with this big size window and a wardrobe space. And now come this side. On my left again, this is the second bedroom, and this second bedroom is having windows on both the sides, and again a wardrobe space. And this is the view from the window. This is the internal roads of this project, outer elevation. And now just opposite to this second bedroom, this is the master bedroom. So we are entering into the master bedroom. So this master bedroom is having a size of approximately 11 feet by 11 feet, almost a square shaped master bedroom, and with having windows on both the sides and a wardrobe space. And this is the attached toilet space along with this master bedroom. And from this side you can see the view outside, and this is the swimming pool view from this side, and this is the outer elevation of our building. It's almost getting ready. The handover will be within 3 to 4 months of time, and the green view outside, you can clearly see the Caventer's factory. This is the Caventer's factory. So hopefully you like this. So if you are interested, then please call us as early as possible. We are having very limited number of units currently available. So thanks a lot for watching. So please share and subscribe our channel for further updates.